This is the incredible moment. At 300 feet, sandstorm swallows a Chinese city, leaving buildings and roads covered in dust. Dunhuang became a scene from an apocalyptic film when a wall of sand from the Gobi Desert swept in on Sunday afternoon. Videos circulating on social media from residents show high-rise buildings vanish as the cloud of dust envelops the city. Police shut down major roads and asked drivers to wait out the storm as visibility in some areas dwindled to less than 20 feet. The sandstorm struck at about 3 p.m. local time, the South China Morning Post reported. Tourists visiting a nearby nature park got caught up in the storm. The group traveled to the Mingsha Mountain and Crescent Lake Nature Park in Dunhuang to watch the sunset over the beauty spot. When the storm hit, they were forced to huddle together, wearing masks and glasses to protect themselves from the sand. Their possessions were blown away. A tour guide, who has only been identified as Mr. Chin, said the sky was still blue when they set off, giving the impression it would be a stunning sunset. However, the wind suddenly picked up and created the storm. The storm was said to have only lasted a short while. Dunhuang is located close to the Gobi Desert and is known for its harsh climates. The city is also home to the UNESCO World Heritage Site, the Mogao Grottoes. Last month, similar scenes were captured by residents in western China when a sandstorm blocked out the sun with thick dust. Locals in Hotan saw the skies turn orange as Chinese media have previously reported that extreme weather has become more common in recent years because of human activities.